Hey guys, recently bought myself one of these, a Lenovo Think machine, M93P TINY edition. I got it on eBay for like 45 quid. It came with, originally came with the i3-4350T, 4GB of RAM and 500GB hard drive, USB ports on the front, audio jack, and at the back there's plenty of ports, USB 3 ports, display port, a VGA port and Ethernet port. But on my model I actually upgraded it to include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So let's take a look inside. So the back is literally held on by one single screw. So you put my screwdriver in and there's just slightly tris, and then there you go, and this is it inside. CPU goes here, Haswell 1150 socket, LGA, and a fan. Really silent one, to be honest. It did originally come with a hard drive. First thing I did, swap it for a spare SSD that I had lying around. It's only a Samsung OEM edition one, 256GB of storage. And another thing I did was to upgrade it to a i7-4770T. It did originally have this inside, but it's a bit too slow for my liking. And I upgraded the RAM, upgraded the Wi-Fi. This was 20 quid on top of the machine. Let's plug it into my computer. All plugged in through a HDMI to a DisplayPort adapter. Press the power on button. Actually, I'm running on a laptop right now, so I'm going to remote desktop in to the computer by clicking remote desktop. And it boots me straight into the machine itself, and I can run it as a remote desktop. At the moment I'm only running a Terraria server, but I'm planning in the future to use it as a NAS, or any other game servers, or just try different operating system on it. So we boot up the system information. We got a Intel Core i7-4770T, max TDP of 45 watts, and its turbo boost up to 3.7 gigahertz. I upgraded memory to 8 gigabytes. At the moment it's single channel memory, but I do have another 8 gigabytes coming in the post that I bought on eBay for like £14. So in the future it would be double channel or dual channel. Yeah, there's no room for a graphics card, so in terms of graphics it's a bit lackluster for 2022 performance. I mean, obviously release date is over 9 years ago now, coming up to 10, and the latest driver is from 2020, so it's unsupported hardware. But for running, just a Terraria server, absolutely fine, no issues. 32 players on it, no issues. Let's have a look at the upgrade that I did. So originally it was the i3-4350T, and I upgraded to i7. Everything's basically the same. The i3 has 2 cores and 4 threads, and I literally doubled the performance for £50 I bought the i7-4770T for, which is 4 cores, 8 threads, with turbo boost technology up to 3.7 gigahertz. The only difference is the TDP is 10 watts higher from original 35 watts to a 45 watts TDP. So it's 10 watts higher, but this little machine can handle it perfectly. But everything else is just the same. Intel HD graphics 4600 is slightly higher on the graphics base frequency on the i7, and also the max dynamic frequency, but you won't be playing any games on the integrated graphics. It's absolutely terrible for it. And if I go back to, this is my laptop at the moment, but yeah, that's about it. So all the information on the computer. See you guys next time. Bye bye.